Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're going to make a fun fold card. It says, I have something for you. And you slip off the belly band and you open it up to say, you're holding it. So let's get started. We're using the Daffodil Afternoon DSP. Isn't this lovely? That's the front side. And that is the back side. So we're going to start with a piece of cardstock that measures 4 by 8 and it's scored at 2 and 6. So let's go ahead and use my bone folder and burnish those lines I've already scored. And this makes your card, your gatefold. So it looks like you're opening a gate. And then they're going to take a piece of DSP that measures 4 by 12, and you want to score it at 2, 4, 8, and 10. And it's easier to see it on this side just because it's a lighter side, and I used a pencil to mark. So 2, 4, 8, and 10. And then the second thing you want to do is you want to score diagonally from the 2-inch. Oh, sorry. You're going to mark 6 inches on the top and the bottom, and you're going to score from that mark to the 2-inch, that mark to the 2-inch here, and then repeat that way. So that's the fun fold part of it. And I'll show you how to fold it. So first we're going to start with the straight scores. So we'll do that one first. And the other one in the end. Here. And then it's easier just to fold these diagonally towards you. And do the same the other way. So you're kind of folding along and making an X basically. And do the same way here. And then the last score is this one that you're going to fold. Let's see if I have this right. As a mountain fold also. So let's do those mountain folds. And this should be right in the center of the X's. Like that. So I'll fold again to show you. So that way, and that way, and this way. And you'll see the X's. And basically what you're having to do is you fold these in and that way, and it kind of makes its own card. Let's see if it works. Ready? And that's it. That's basically it. So first things, we're going to bring that card back in here. We're going to get some adhesive, and let's go ahead and we'll use some Stampin' Sale Plus. And first we're going to put a little bit of that here on the center, and then we're going to center it in the gatefold. So let's do that first. Making sure your gatefold can still close, which it still can. And then you're going to put some adhesive on these two sides to be able to close that. There you go. And that should fit right in again, because they've both been scored at 2. There. And that is the basis of your card. Oop, this one popped open. Sorry about that. Let's press the adhesive down. There you go. And that's it. That's your card. Now we're going to stamp the insides of it and the outside belly band. So I have some Flirty Flamingo ink. And this is the one that says you're holding it. So let's do some quick adhesive there for the middle there. And then for the lovely belly band, it is a piece that measures 1 by 10, and we're just gonna kind of center it onto your paper. Yeah, and I like to fold just a little bit here burnish that. And then don't go all the way to the end. Leave a little space in there so that way it'll slide and it won't stick. And let's do the same to the other side. Give it a little room. Burnish it. And that way it should slide up without any trouble. I'm going to put a little adhesive here to hold it down. And then the sentiment that we have here, where I used one of the tag punches that says, I have something for you. So we'll do a little adhesive on the middle, just the middle of the tag, so it'll just stick to the belly band. So I'm going to center that belly band, and I'm going to put this over here, and that's it. What do you think? I'm going to put my top back on my Stampin' seal, and I'll do it again, so I'll slide them off, and ta-da! So, love playing with all this different paper. Thank you for letting me share this with you. Feel free to like the video and subscribe if you want to see more of these video tutorials, and have a great day. Bye!